Alright, what's up, y'all? It's Easter. Hey! So we're gonna dye some eggs and we're gonna try to use this active volcano egg dye kit, okay? So let's get to work. Alright, so here's the insides of the kit. This is step one over here. Somehow we gotta put this little volcano thing together with these little foam pieces. I don't know, it looks confusing. Then we got these packets of dye that you make a paste with, and each one of these does 2 large eggs, and we got 12, too many. But yeah, so we can do 8 eggs, and that'll be inside as the little volcano, the little whatever, and these are little bags, I guess, to smush the paste on. I don't know. We'll get to work. See you in a minute. Alright, y'all. It says gently remove foam pieces from sheets. We've done the big one. Form the volcano into a body. Something like this. Alright, something like that. Now we have to decorate it with these pieces. Somehow. Alright, so we'll get that done. And we'll be right back, folks. Alright, so we got our little volcano together, and it comes with this little cup that comes with these ridges. So now you put the cup under here. You're going to want to put it in a pan so it doesn't get mess everywhere. And just align these ridges up here with this the best you can. And there's your little volcano already, okay? So we got 4 cups here, which we're going to mix these 4 colors in with half a teaspoon of water, and it's going to create a paste, which each paste will do 2 eggs. So that's the next step. Right, Pookie? Yeah, so let's get ready. Alright, so we've mixed up the paste. You just put the little packets in there, put half a teaspoon of water, and stir it up. We got purple, blue, red, and green. So there we go. Next step. Alright, so now we got our eggs, we got our paste ready. What you do now is you just grab some of the paste, and you put multiple little layers, different colors, on each one and kind of rub it in there. Get a little messy. Alright, so I just rub this in here. Alright, then you put these in here, let them dry. Then you do some more. This one's going to be mostly red. A little bit of green. Like tie-dye. Belle would probably... Miss Southern Belle, you would love this. Alright. So there's another one. Put that over there. We're going to do all these. Okay? Alright. Stay tuned. Okay, so we got all our pastes on there and spread it all over the eggs. Now you got to let them dry for about 5 minutes. And then we'll come back and get ready to do the volcano, folks. Yay! Alright, so we got our volcano in here. Our eggs are drying. Now you want to fill this. There's a fill line in here about halfway up. You fill this up with the vinegar. Alright, now we're going to be ready for our first egg here in a minute, folks. Alright, so we got one of our eggs here. And we're going to see if the hype was worth it, folks. So let's get up and get into this volcano. Here we go. You ready? 1, 2, 3. What's it doing? I see bubbles. Uh-oh. There it goes. Alright, so you just keep going till the reaction's over. Is that an Easter prophecy or just a fun activity? We don't know yet. Alright, keep watching. Keep watching. You gotta be patient, folks. It's like everything in life. Alright, I think it's about done. I'm gonna pick it up. It's pretty, right? Look at all the sides. And then we send it over here and we dry it. Alright, so then we do that over and over and over again. Alright. Alright, there we go. We finished our egg experiment. What do you think? You think they look cool? I think they look cool. Alright, that was the active volcano egg dyeing kit. That's what we did this Easter. We'll try a different one next year. Hope y'all have an amazing Easter. We'll see you later. Get hopping along. Bye-bye.